Arcade Facilitator program is coming by Google, but are you really ready for it? Let's cover some important tips and tricks and the registration guide, also how the program will work, complete workflow we'll cover in this video. And before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel too. Coming over here directly to the program page, you can see this is the main page. So you can see the name itself suggests Arcade Facilitator program. Now here you'll be getting some resources, some tools and access to free GCP credits completely free of cost for completing the arcade game. Now what are arcade games? If you have participated before in the arcade program or you want to participate this time, here you need to understand in arcade program we have some cool badges, and inside that badges you can see some of the labs. Whether you want to learn about data, AI/ML, app building completely free of cost, here we have labs, and all these labs works in GCP and Google environment, which costs around 3 to 5 lakh for normal people to get access if you try to complete all these courses. But Google is providing all these free of cost, and on top of it they are giving these premium swags completely free of cost. Now here you can see there are some badges, but do we get directly swags points just by completing these badges only? No. Here when you complete the badges you get arcade point. With those arcade point you get some cool rewards which you have seen already in the screen. Now as you can see they have some point system also for getting the swags. Like if you want to buy something you need to have a particular amount of money. For example, you want to buy a recharge plan of 899 but you have only 400 rupees. Is it possible to buy the 899 plan? Obviously no. So here Arcade Facilitator program aids in this particular process. How it aids? First of all, if you see the point system, here we have minimum points required for getting the goodies is 50 and highest is 120. Now for getting these goodies which you have already seen, you need arcade points, but along with the arcade program you cannot earn it easily because you can see only 6 games are there and below is the point mentioned. So ideally it is not possible to complete the game and earn more arcade points for getting the swags. That's where Arcade Facilitator program role plays. So here, as I said earlier, you'll be getting cloud credits and bonus points also with which you can just redeem the swags. Now when the registration will be starting, it's starting from 13th of July. What will happen, let me just tell you. The program is from 13th of July till 14th of September, means 2-month duration. You can easily reach up to 95 plus points over here and claim the best swags out here, right? Now here how the enrollment system works. So first of all, you have to just apply for the form. How you'll apply, I'll share the link also when the program will be live, mostly on 13th of July. Around 5 PM the form will be live, or you can directly check. Enrollments open, it will show over here. There you have to share your personal details including your public profile of the skills profile. If you don't know how to participate in the arcade program also, you can check the pinned comment and description box. Also if you want to have a quick demo how this the form looks like, for that also I have made a video. I'll share both the links in the description and pinned comment. From there you can watch it and participate. And yes, you can complete with mobile phone too. So once you have registered, you'll be assigned a particular facilitator, or you can use our code also. We'll be sharing the code with you so that you are assigned to us, and our teammates will be guiding you throughout the journey, helping you with every process and every problems over here. Now, the form will be open on 13th of July and it will close on 20th of July. And whichever is possible, either it will close on 20th of July or before it also if the form seats are closed. Mostly it's around 50 to 60k per individual. So try to fill the form. I'll share the post directly. In the community post section, I'll share the code and form link. From there also you can complete it. Now coming over here to the point system, how we are able to get 90 plus points. So here you can see we have milestone system, milestone 1, milestone 2, milestone 3, milestone 4. Okay, that is ultimate milestone. So the process remains same. In the arcade program also we are completing the games, and if we need to complete some more points, we have some skill badges. Now what are skill badges? Let me just open any of these skill badge. So here you can see skill badge is just like an arcade game. Let me just first of all sign in. So you have to first of all sign in, then you'll be able to access the games. So once you are signed in, let me just open this particular skill badge. So here is our skill badge. If you open any of the traditional arcade game, you can see there are around 448 labs, right? 448 labs are there. If you need a detailed guide how to join the game, how to complete the game, you'll find the video that is how to participate in the arcade program, how you'll be getting the goodies. There you can watch it. I want to make this video clear and cleaner. That's why I'm explaining only the required thing. So here you can see 4 for 8 labs are there required. Okay. But in the skill badge, you can see only 1 lab is required. So skill badge is actually beneficiary for you. Okay, beneficial for you. When you complete 2 skill badge, you get 1 arcade point. And you can see if you just follow the arcade game system, you can see 8 labs are there. So total, you'll be getting 4 points. Okay. You are completing 8 labs divided by 2 equals 4. Okay. So you are getting 4 arcade points with the same effort. So why not participate in the arcade facilitator program? So the effort remains same. For every game, we get 1 arcade point. For every 2 skill badge, we get 1 arcade point. Okay. So we are getting the point for doing these 2 efforts. But if you register in the facilitator program, you'll be getting the milestone bonus. You can see the process for all the games remains same. How many number of games you complete, you'll be getting that much point only. And the number of skill badge remains the same too. Like it will be divided by 2. Like for example, here you can see 50 skill badges divided by 2 equals 25. So all the system is same. And the main thing is that here you are getting bonus points. You can see we are getting bonus points. So here are 2 bonus points, bonus 1 and bonus pro max. So here first bonus you are getting by completing this particular badges. And second one is for a mini challenge which will live shortly. We'll cover that also. Now here, a lot of you are having two confusion actually. First of all, if you have achieved milestone 1 and milestone 2, so you will be getting the points for milestone 2 bonus also and 1 also. No. Whichever bonus you are standing. For example, you have completed the ultimate milestone, right? You'll be getting only 35 bonus points plus 10 bonus points if you complete. I'm just giving this sort of example, basic example, that if you have completed the ultimate milestone, you will be getting only 35 bonus points. Not more than that. Why? Because if you are thinking that you have completed ultimate, you'll be getting milestone 1, 2, 3. All bonus points will be added like 15 plus 25 plus 5. Then it's not 2. Okay. You'll be getting the milestone only in which you are standing. For example, you are in ultimate milestone, you get only 35 bonus points. Now, if you complete the extra bonus milestone, you'll be getting 10 bonus point extra. So total it will become 45 plus 35 plus 10, 90 points. And in the next month, we have, I think, October and September also we are having games. So you can easily reach this particular point system, means cross 95 points easily. For 120 points, it is little bit tricky. So if we get any update, I'll update you. So like this, we are getting the points. Now, some important things you need to understand that should we start doing the arcade game? No. First of all, join all the games. Okay. First of all, create a skills boost profile. How to do it? Let me just tell you. So here you have to click on join, register with your account and do all the settings like making a profile public, filling this subscription form over here. How to do, I have already covered in the main video. From there, you can watch it and confirm it. Okay. Complete the challenges and complete the subscription process. Now here you have to simply join the games. For example, how to join the game? I'm opening this particular game. You have to see that here is the access code over here. Copy this particular access code. Okay, I have already joined the game. Let me just join any other game. Okay. So you have to simply join this particular game over here. So like this, you have to keep the game joined. Okay. Otherwise, if you miss it and these spots, you can see around 2000 spots are there. By anyhow, if they decrease the spot or it turns to be 0, 99.9% they won't update the spots because this time stacks are limited. You must have seen in the point system also that we have limited spots this year. So you need to try to complete and register in this program as soon as it is released. Coming over here, the syllabus. So you'll be having a syllabus system also. You'll be having total 18 game badges. In previous cohort, they used to avoid the next month game. For example, if the event started from January and if the event started from July itself and August it is running. So they used to count July and August game only. But from this cohort, they are counting July, August and September games, both games. Total 3 months game. Okay, in short of the update. So you'll be having time for 18 game badges. You can easily complete it without any issue. Okay. So I'll suggest just do one thing, just join the game and leave it. A lot of you are confusing that should we complete 3 labs, 4 labs, and you are asking the same question again and again. You can complete 2 to 3 labs, but if you complete after 13th of July, it will be more better and accurate so that by mistake, suppose if you completed 4 labs from here and 3 labs from here and suppose this lab is marked as optional, it is not working, then you'll get the badge directly. Your effort will be wasted and you'll be a little bit back for getting the progress updated, because we have 18 games total. But here is a limit. You can see limited people are getting the swags. Not everyone is getting the swag. So that's why you have to avoid the July game as of now and start in the Facilitator program. So these are the quick things I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. We have covered multiple opportunities out here in the channel. Explore it, understand about it. Do like the video, share the channel with everyone. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day.